Welcome to day 3 of this football tournament at Forza Intra Club Season 4. We will be starting the game between Rogue Wolves and Slayers. This is the juniors division, so let's just start with the game. Kickoff underway. Yuvraj, pass played. Now receives the ball, instantly tackled. Sat. The Rogue Wolves have ball possession. There's a direct hit attempted. Side in there. Goalkeeper's ball lead to the midfield. Jump not reaching from Heath. That's Dhruv trying one. Long range ball. A side kick. Rogue Wolves have been doing pretty well in this tournament, juniors and seniors alike. If they can get this win, Rogue Wolves, they will certainly be in a cementing spot to take this tournament. Ball goes out. Dhruv. Pass on the line. That was looking good, but only for a moment. Rogue Wolves have a chance. Yuvraj through the legs. Is it going to go in? And this is a goal. The goalkeeper, was he fouled? We'll see about it. Goal stands. Yuvraj Wagh has done it. The purple side leads. There's no chance for the goalkeeper to get this ball back. And now looks like the goal is not going to stand. So goal kick. Goal cancelled. Referee's decision has made the scoreboard to be back to goalless draw. 0-0 for now. Side kick. Slayers. Have to retake this because of the block by Nihar Patil. Cleared. That's gonna be relieving for Shaurya Chaudhary, who can still make things happen. Goal kick. Karthik. Karthik tries. It's blocked by Dhruv. I don't think it was a handball. Looked more like a shoulder contact, but we'll see about this. It has been given. Have a look at this in slow motion. Seemed more like he was having it on the back of the shoulder blade of his left arm, Dhruv. Maybe the arm extension forced the referee to give this free kick. How many people will it be in the wall? Chance for Rogue Wolves. Shaurya Chaudhary assigning people, 2 people in the wall. Karthik. Karthik, it's off target. Wide. Goal kick. Shaurya. Surely gets the ball away. Put away by Vihan. Dhruv. Dispossessed instantly. Thanks to Sai Shinde. Blocked by Dhruv. Slayer's goal kick. Here's the goal kick from way behind and beyond. Put forward to the midfield. Karthik rushes forward. Ball control just not working out here. Now Slayers have a chance. Heath plays the pass. Side kick. Can quickly play this to the midfield. And I thought Soumitra was up close and free for a pass. Yuvraj Wagh dispossessed and tackled into by Dhruv. Next frontal touch attempted here by Ishan Kulkarni. Slayer's ball. Vihan has played it behind. Pass on the right. Yuvraj Bagh accelerates forward. He's trying to get the cross. Blocked. Done well by Soumitra, but now Yuvraj Bagh has the chance. He tries one. It's blocked by Dhruv. Dhruv and additional support of Neil Zore. Karthik. Karthik. Wonderful. Goal scored by Karthik just like that. And I thought it was between the legs. Look at this. The gap is found. Bottom corner fetched in by Karthik. Very nice and accurate. As soon as the ball squeezed through the legs of the defender, this was a goal. And no chance there for Shaurya because he's standing on the left hand side of the goal post. Scoring was done in the bottom corner of right side inside the goal post. Everybody misses the ball. Yuvraj Bagh trying to get it off. Shaurya handles the ball, punches it away. With low power, he was able to discard this attempt. Neil. Sai Shinde. Nihar now on to the left. And Slayers have a pass cleared. So at the very back, Rogue Wolves, they have the reliable man Ojas Kulkarni, who's been defending quite well. Nice try by Sai. It's blocked by Neil and then cleared. Judgment of the ball a bit uneasy. And let's talk about the weather as well. The weather has changed. Shaurya lets off a corner. So that attempt was looking good from Nihar. From Slayers. This is good defending by the goalkeeper Shaurya. We couldn't quite see who took the shot. It was Rogue Wolves who got the corner out. And now goal kick. Shaurya. Decent ball. Header. And this is Dhruv bumping into a teammate and an opponent. Karthik flies forward to the left. That was Nihar who took the shot earlier. Rudra trying to win this ball. We really need an eye on the ball, and now finally it is. Yuvraj Bagh challenges Heath. Gives out a pass to Sai Shinde. Sarth challenging the ball at the top. Side kick. A visual on the ball would really help what is going on at the side kick area. Sarth. And he can play this pass to Yuvraj, who has a chance if he gets a proper touch. But look at this tackle from Neil. Excellent. Yuvraj. Blocked by Vihan. And now Neil Zore. The challenge was good. Blocked by Dhruv. Dhruv dispossessed by Nihar. Nihar doesn't have a chance with Vihan in front of him. And now finally the ball has been put away by Ayush. Side kick. You can see Karthik and Dhruv being matched evenly. Nice ball inside, and it's a touch of glory. Double the lead for Rogue Wolves as this one goes inside from the side kick. Karthik got a good assist off. Now here's the touch. Very well done. Couldn't quite see who scored the goal. I did see Karthik being the man with the assist. Was it Nihar? Or was it Sai? Either way, Rogue Wolves double their lead. Yuvraj Wagh challenges Dhruv. Nicely done. Ojas. Oh, it's Karthik. Ojas playing as the left back. Now Ojas. Blocked by Dhruv as Ojas tries to get a ball freed. Goal kick. Ojas. Decent ball at the midfield. Dhruv dispossessed. Repossession for Nihar and Rogue Wolves. Side kick. Yuvraj Wagh. That's where the pass was aimed. Slayers run away with the ball. Vihan. Ojas. Oh, very good. That was nice. The accuracy was shot to find the same exact right side of the goal post where the first goal was scored. Goal kick. It's off target nonetheless. Karthik. Yuvraj. Karthik. Cleared. Now this is Heath. Dispossessed. Ball possession is not utterly maintained by either team, but Karthik and Rogue Wolves. Oh, there is a deflection. Not a problem for Shaurya because of the reduction upon the ball speed. Dhruv. Is this one out? Yes. Ojas. I mean, the clever move would be Nihar taking the side kick and then Ojas. This is too risky. It does go towards their goalkeeper, but the modification for this move can definitely be bettered. Sarth up against Ishan. Yuvraj Wagh. Oh, he tried to find Sarth, didn't he? But Ishan Kulkarni is standing strong, not letting off the spaces as easily. Very good touch. And Karthik. He's tried one. That's a good runabout attempted on the outer side from Sai Shinde. It's however put to a stop. Nihar Patil meanwhile doing just well from the defensive purpose. Yuvraj. Good cross on the inside, blocked by Neil. Handball, is it? The appeals did go up for it. Camera work really seems to not catch the ball. Not even the players now. Just need to put it down a bit. Goal kick. Finally a visual on the ball. Shaurya. Vihan with his left foot. Asmi is substituted in. Rogue Wolves, if they win this game, they are in a top spot to take the tournament. That is for the juniors division. And this is all the more motivation for the seniors to perform. Very distant goal kick. Dhruv jumps, doesn't win the ball. Here's opportunity for Heath. It's blocked by Ojas. Ball goes between the spaces of Asmi as well as Heath. You can see the weather change. It has probably made the judgment of the players a bit different. Parikshit, he's also on the field now, near the ball. Making those forward runs. Slayer's sidekick. Slayer's free kick rather. We didn't see the foul get caught on the camera. So Nihar and Sarth stand in the way of the wall. Whistle goes out. Ball block. Mounts the ball for a counter-attack, and there is a chance, but Vihan, an excellent left foot to put the ball away from any chance that Rogue Wolves could have taken. Now this is on target. And blocked by the goalkeeper. Ball lead away. Slayer's sidekick. Dhruv quick to take it. Another one. Blocked by Parikshit. Asmi. Her pass is stopped at a point blank by the captain of Rogue Wolves. Opportunities brewing, and Sarth almost reaching the ball thanks to the effort of Yuvraj. This is good effort from the attackers of Rogue Wolves. This is the goalkeeper Raghav. He hasn't had to do much. Ball bounces towards Yuvraj. And he's not able to contain the ball with his left. The ball just went from beneath his leg. Sarth tackled. Very good challenge by Asmi. But the re-tackle is there from Sarth. It's good. And now this is Heath. Vihan powerfully with his left. Runabout from Parikshit just doesn't help, as there is Ojas carefully measuring and being drastic about any threat. Headed forward by Sarth. Put away. That was Sarthak pushing the ball. Has been a very clean game for Rogue Wolves on the defensive part, where Raghav, Nihar as well as Ojas have pretty much performed without making a lot of mistakes or any critical error. Knee to the ball. Nihar Patil. Now taken forward by Sai. And this can be the touch, but it's a foul. Is it? The ball was touched forward. Yuvraj Wagh expects a free kick. But since the touch and after the ball, foul is given. Granted, I felt that was just injustice. Pass can work out. Yuvraj Wagh swings his leg. It's in the arms of the goalkeeper, Shaurya. Hasn't been all that bad with the distribution or blocking couple of strikes. But there were those two goals where he really needed additional support. Ojas. Long range kick. Once again, it's the goalkeeper, it's Shaurya, who handles the ball well. Asmi. Dhruv. Tackled in by Karthik. Pushed away by Vihan. Now that was close. The closest we have seen as an attempt from Slayers. Parikshit, he had a chance, but the ball handling is just appropriate from Raghav. We're nearing the end of the game pretty much. Dhruv. Rogue Wolves trying to get the ball away from Dhruv. That was Advait. Yuvraj Wagh tackled in really well by Vihan, but now the push through, the soul drag doesn't work. Sai Shinde. Sarthak blocks it. A good chase. Raghav. Looks like it will be Sarthak. Karthik rushes. Asmi. With the ball touch as needed. Karthik, Yuvraj. Now it's Vihan. Challenged by Sai Shinde. And Sai Shinde wins this challenge but doesn't win the ball completely. Sarthak not able to get the ball past the first objective, and now the game looks over. So that's going to be Rogue Wolves winning the game. It's a 2-0 victory. Rogue Wolves etching to win this tournament in the juniors division after notching up a win. 2-0 was the final score. Rogue Wolves 2, Slayers 0. We'll see you in the seniors game now. Thank you for watching.